Hey, this is Johnny from Picmonic, and today we're talking about the fastest way to master medical terminology. MedTerms, the standard of communication that knows no bounds, breaking through language barriers like the Kool-Aid Man. Oh yeah. The company that brought you that high-octane brain food for medical knowledge now brings you the foundations of that doctor slang. 312 medical terms combined with the Picmonic learning system becomes the fastest way to understand what the oligodendroglioma these people are talking about. Here are 4 examples of how you can master more medical terms in less time.
Hi, Lisa! You can remember the suffix lysis like these laser guns. We're gonna play laser tag, and it's gonna be so much fun. Tag your... Oh, God! Oh, no!
Oh, I guess little Lisa here didn't know that lysis means to break down, separate, or destroy. A good example of this term can be seen in the Picmonic glycolysis, where the glue laser breaks down glucose, much like poor Lisa.
When we're calling the prefix ab, just think of a sweet 6-pack of abs. It means far away, so just imagine some buff guy flexing his abs on the beach and blowing an admirer far away. An example of this term is abduct, meaning the movement of a body part away from the rest of the body.
For the term leper, or lepro, just think of me, the lucky little leprechaun. Oh, looky, there's me pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.
Not so fast there, buddy.
Ah, a leaping leper has commandeered me gold. Ah!
Haha, you should have known better, little leprechaun. Lepro means leprosy. Take Microbacterium leprae, for example. It's the acid-fast bacteria that causes leprosy. Now if only I had fingers to pick up this gold.
You can remember the prefix cata by recalling these cats in a tree. But there ain't enough room on this branch for both of them, so one cat kicks the other off and he falls down to the ground. And this makes sense, as cata means down or downward. A good example of cata is catabolism, which is the breakdown of complex molecules in living organisms into simpler ones.
Now let's make like Kata and get down on some quizzing. And that wraps up our medical terminology preview. If it was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what med terms you'd like to see. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you at the next Picmonic Monday. Play, quiz, and spaced repetition. Efficient, effective, and research proven to increase exam scores.